Growing amla in pots. Growing amla in pots is a lot easier than one may think. Learn how to grow this berry and enjoy its benefits fresh at home. What is amla or Indian gooseberry? Common India names: Amlaka, Aula, Nelli, Nellika, Hekru, Nellikke, Amla, Amla, Usiri, Avlo, Avlah. The scientific name of amla is Philanthus emblica. It is a deciduous, subtropical tree, native to India that produces glossy, green and round berries with the same name. The taste of amla is sweet-sour with a pungent aftertaste. These berries, apart from having tremendous health benefits, are a part of a variety of Indian dishes like achar, chutneys, and murabba, etc. Amla cultivation in India. India is undoubtedly the largest producer of amla in the world. Winters make for the amla season in India. The sowing of the seeds takes place in the months of June to July, and you can find it everywhere as soon as the monsoons are over. The major amla producing states include Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Assam, Bihar, Maharashtra, Jammu and Kashmir, Rajasthan. Growing amla in pots. You can easily grow amla plants in a pot by following these simple steps. Propagation. It is easy to propagate amla plant from a well-grafted tree that you can easily find in your nearby nursery, as it helps in maintaining the health and quality of the plant. Varieties. This subtropical plant is quite hardy and easy to cultivate. The popular varieties of amla include Kanchan, Chakya, BSR1, Banarsi, NA7, etc., and a variety called Wild Himalayan Amla is better for the climates that are more temperate. Requirements for growing amla in pots. Choosing a container. Choose a container that is at least 10 inches deep and wide for growing your amla plant, as it requires more space as it grows. Make sure to provide the plant's roots with enough space to grow well. Choose a spot where the plant gets enough sunlight, but fewer winds. You also have to keep changing the pot once your plant outgrows the current one. Soil. A well-draining loamy soil, rich in organic matter, is ideal for growing amla plant. The soil should neither be too waterlogged nor too sandy. These plants can do well in soils that are slightly acidic to alkaline in nature. Temperature. The plants are quite hardy and can resist the moderate change in the climates. They are also sensitive to frost, and they may not be able to survive extreme hot or freezing temperatures. Watering. These plants require regular watering at the beginning, but as the plant matures, you can decrease the frequency. The right time to rewater the plants is when the topsoil dries. You can check the dryness of soil by poking a finger into it. Position. Amla plants require a plenty of sun to grow well. Position your plant in a location where it gets full sunlight and fewer winds. Fertilizer. When growing the plant, you can go with the natural fertilizers like aged cow manure, gobar khad, and have organic produce of amla for yourself. Plus, the trees are not heavy feeders, so they can do well with natural fertilizers too. Pruning. Prune your plants in the spring season. Remove all kinds of damaged, dead or diseased branches, and also remove any entangling branches if any. Prune the plant to increase the fruiting. Pests and diseases. The plant can get infected with common pests, but you can get rid of these unwanted pests by simply using natural homemade pesticides like neem oil, soap spray, etc. Benefits of amla. Amla is a potent and healing fruit that is full of nutrients. It has a plethora of benefits, and every part of it is useful, including the seeds, fruits, leaves, bark, roots, and even the flowers. The fruit is an important remedy in the Indian Ayurvedic system of medicine.